The Dindoshi Sessions Court has rejected the discharge plea filed by actor Rahul Raj Singh in the case of abetment of suicide of actress Pratyusha Banerjee. Actress Pratyusha Banerjee, who was playing the lead role in the serial Balika Vadhu, in fact died of suicide in the year 2016. It was in fact on April 1st, 2016 when her body was found in her Goregaon flat, on the basis of which a case was also filed at Bangur Nagar police station. 2 years later, in this case in 2018, was when the Bangur Nagar police station filed a charge sheet in which actor Rahul Raj Singh was mentioned as one of the accused for abetment of suicide in this case. However, by July that same year 2016 was when Rahul Raj Singh was given a bail in this case, and he's out on bail ever since then. However, after the charge sheet was filed, it was the actor who had mentioned that he is not getting proper roles because of this case against him, which is why he had moved courts and had filed for a discharge plea. In fact, just a few months back, it also approached the Bombay High Court stating that his discharge plea should be heard on priority because he is facing flack in his career because of this ongoing case. However, hearing this case, the Dindoshi Sessions Court judge rejected his plea and have now decided that from November 11 onwards is when the framing of charges will take place, which is on the basis of which is where the case hearing would proceed on a regular basis inside the court. Speaking of this entire case of Pratyusha Banerjee's death due to suicide, there has been arguments which was made by Rahul Raj Singh's lawyer, that is in this case, wherein he argued that it was not really Rahul Raj Singh but family members of Pratyusha Banerjee who are to be blamed in this case. He mentioned as a part of his arguments that last conversation between Pratyusha Banerjee and Rahul Raj Singh was also presented before the court, wherein he mentioned that Pratyusha Banerjee was speaking to Rahul Raj Singh. She had mentioned that she was upset because of her family and she really wanted to move out away from her family. She also spoke of a loan that her parents had taken of rupees 10 lakh, which she was made to sign the documents which she knew nothing about. She was worried about this loan. Apart from that, she was also worried about how her family was reacting to certain things, which is where he mentioned, that is the lawyer of Rahul Raj Singh mentioned, that this discharge plea should be taken into consideration, and it is Rahul Raj Singh who cannot be blamed for the abetment of suicide of Pratyusha Banerjee. However, on the other hand, the lawyer representing Pratyusha Banerjee's family in the court also mentioned that it was Rahul Raj Singh who was being abusive and harassing Pratyusha Banerjee, which is why she took her life. Now, this was something that was mentioned in the court by the lawyers defending the families of Pratyusha Banerjee. However, what was mentioned by the lawyers of Rahul Raj Singh, that is he mentioned that in case of her previous relationship, Pratyusha Banerjee had raised contention. She'd also raised a complaint with the police in this case, and if that was the case with Rahul Raj Singh, she would have done the same, and that she was a pretty independent woman. Despite all of these arguments, what was mentioned by the judge at the Dindoshi Sessions Court was that he rejected this discharge plea, and now the framing of charges would take place in November. This is with respect to the case of Pratyusha Banerjee's suicide in 2016, which has been registered at Bangur Nagar police station, and the hearing would now go on a regular note from November onwards.